So in the video editor of Photos app, what you can also do is apply filters and add in 3D effects in videos. So here you can see that I got 2 video clips. And if you want to add in filter to give it a certain look, you can select out the clip that you want, and then you can go around over here onto filters right here and choose out the filter that you want to apply. So simply go around and click over here, choose the filter right here. So let's say, for example, I just clicked on LUD, press done, and that is applied right here, as you can see. Similarly, you can go around, select out another clip right here, go around over here onto filters, go around and select out the effect according to how you like it. As you can see, press done and the effect is applied. So if you were to press the play button, you can see that the effect has been applied right here. Similarly, what you can also do is you can go around and apply 3D effects to the video clips right here. So you can select out a video clip, then go to 3D effect right here. So you can now select out the 3D effect you want similarly and select out the range of a range where you want to apply the 3D effects to, and press the play button, and what happens is that you see the 3D effect right there, as you can see. You can also change around the volume of the effect according to how you like it. Press done and it'll be applied onto the video clip, and if you were to play it, then you can see the 3D effect is here. Similarly, you can select out another clip over here, go to 3D effect right here, select out the 3D effect you want just like this, and you can see that some of the 3D effects, you can simply rotate this around right here. You can resize this around according to how you like it, and you can play this around, and this is how it'll actually seem, as you can see right here. You can press done and that's it. The 3D effect is added over there as well. So that is how you can work around with filters and 3D effects on videos inside a video editor in Photos of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.